Good morning, everybody. This is Debolina from DigiTouch. Today we have with us Tony from Ecoplastic, Serbia. Welcome, Tony. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, Debolina. I'm Tony Lund, and about 3 years ago, we founded a company called Ecoplastics, which I am one of the directors of, and our little startup company is based here in Serbia.
That's great. Great. Ecoplastic is a startup that works on plastic recycling. Well, we all know that there is a huge demand and production of plastic in every part of the world, and most of which is not even recycled, which eventually creates big environmental problems. Thanks to the startups like yours, we can take a vow to save the world, isn't it?
Yes, Ecoplastics' primary goal is to turn waste materials, including plastics, into building materials that can be placed in construction and take it out of the whole cycle of putting plastics and waste into the environment. So we've already started the prototyping and certification stage. Currently, we have about 4 particle boards that are going to be a saleable product. And we've also done work with aerated concrete with waste plastics inside it to stop micro cracking and giving it extra strength. We've developed Lego style plastic building blocks made out of HDPE, LDPE and polypropylene. We've also started with our sand and plastics roof tiles and paving bricks, and have got our first examples of those available. The next stage will be moving into plastic wood composites and recycled HDPE, LDPE, PP plate for manufacturing purposes.
That's brilliant. Okay, so let's talk about upPE-T now. We both are partners in upPE-T, and it's a project of plastic upcycling actually. So what would be your role in it?
The role of Ecoplastics is mainly within Work Package 2 and Work Package 3, which is preparation, categorization, and the enzyme manufacture to break the plastics down into a usable form so that they can go back into the circular economy and get turned back into recycled materials. We are one of the project leaders for W2 and W3, mainly in the first stage, which is preparation of plastics and categorization.
That's great. So what will be your activities throughout the project, like anything that you would like to share?
Well, we've already achieved the first startup, which was going and finding the various different types of plastics for W2 and W3, which is the polyethylenes and the PETs. We've cleaned them, we've sorted them and sent them off to the various institutions for characterizations leading into the enzyme destruction section. So we've already made a very good start with that, in the fact that we've collected, sorted, cleaned, reduced in size to the right bit, which is shredded, and sent the initial materials off for our part of the first process. And at the end of the project, there's going to be a section where Ecoplastics will look at the waste or byproducts from the enzyme destruction, because there will be a bunch of material that is not going to be broken down by the enzymes, and we'll have to look at a way of safely incorporating that in our products.
That's super. So you had a positive start actually, and you will be, I'm sure you will be doing the same in the rest. Thank you, Tony, for sharing all the details. I'm sure together we will be able to make a sustainable. Thank you very much.